If you're taking a plane anytime soon and need more space for your particular specific liquids like skincare and makeup, then keep watching this video for replacements on the general daily liquids that you have to pack for any sort of trip.
Alright, if you use acne medicine, also make sure you bring that. I usually use this, but sometimes I use these patches on my big pimples, and I might just start bringing these on my travels, but because they're just stickers and they don't take up any liquid. They're just little circles that you put on like your pimples, but you have to have them in for like 8 hours minimum, or that's suggested.
Like this video if you have to bring any liquids for medical reasons, cosmetic reasons, just so we all know we're not alone.
If you wear makeup, you're going to need makeup remover, so whatever makeup remover you use. And if you need eye makeup remover, also bring that if you can't really use your normal one. This is micellar water, and it does your whole face, so I kind of suggest this for travel. I see it a lot in travel size, so maybe you should get this in travel size, and then you can take off all your makeup and you don't need something separately for your eyes. And if you do something like this, you'll need cotton balls, so make sure you bring both of these. But I found this on Instagram. It's a makeup eraser, and they were giving out free samples, like completely free, not even paying for shipping, on Instagram. So I got one and I really like it, and this size is like perfect for travel because it's so small. Sample sizes are really great if you plan to travel, so definitely try to find some of those. And you just put water on it and it takes off all your makeup. And I don't need micellar water and my cotton balls. I just need this piece of fabric. So I really like this for travel. I'll link it down below so that you can check them out. They're called makeup erasers. They have different colors and different sizes, but this is just a sample. So, and that's all I needed for travel.
It's also waste free, which helps preserve Earth's beauty, especially important if you want to keep traveling.
I usually use Vaseline at night anywhere I go. I just got it out of my travel toiletry bag, but it does count towards my liquid count, so on airplanes it takes up a lot of space. I might end up changing into this solid chapstick.
Before getting to my last thing, this video was recorded during my what to pack and things you're forgetting video, which is going to be in this playlist, so make sure you check that out.
Bar soap is also really good for liquid limitations if you're flying somewhere. So instead of bringing like a carry-on body wash, you can just use this. You can like scrub this onto your loofah if you use a loofah, or just use this with your hands. It does the job. You get clean. They also have bar shampoo, I've heard, so that's something to think about if you want to try that for your next travel. If you usually carry other liquids for your skin shower, I don't know, so that might be if you carry other liquids and you can't fit much more. But definitely try or look into bar shampoo and bar soaps.
Comment if you would try bar shampoo and conditioner, and if you have tried it, comment down your experience. Subscribe for more travel advice videos like how to pack and fold and stuff like that, and press the bell for notifications on travel advice, adventure advice videos, as well as travel vlogs that are coming up, like Madrid, Morocco, Sahara Desert, stuff that's coming up. And you'll just be a feminist and part of my fancy fam.